Alright guys, yeah, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Sonny Media. Yes, Sonny Media. Alright guys, this is a mutu rice ball. You know, this is my second day of being in this village. Yes, this town is a small town, but they are rich. You see this mutu, this rice ball. After when I finish, I'll take you to the farm where they are farming, bringing the rice they used to do this mutu. You know, as I told you earlier, that this town they base in farming, bringing food. Some of the food we are eating in Kumasi, in other places, some of those food are coming from this place. So this town is blessed in terms of food. So you see, those rice they are using for mutu, a rice ball. I will open the food so that you see it. I will open it for you to see how it is. So those rice, they are cultivating it in this town. So when I'm done eating, you know, I will take you guys to the place for you to see how they are actually farming and bringing those rice, the way they are doing everything. I'll show you everything, guys. But let's see how. Let me wash my hand. I will come. Sorry. Yes. So let's open. Let's open. Wow. Wow. Ah. Wow. Guys. Wow. Hey. Guys, this is so amazing. We'll be squandering this. Should I use spoon or I should use hand? I'm using my hand. That's why I wash my hand, guys. Guys, you are invited. Let's pray first. Wow. Let's go there. Let's scatter the food. Guys. Am I going to finish the food? Start. I see the rice. I will soon take you to the where they are farming the rice. Very nice. Emocho. Ghana people, you are enjoying. You have food, oh. Hey, you have nice food, oh. You dey enjoy, oh. And you say make I go back to Nigeria. I no go. Say make I go. Hey, if I hear, say make I go.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Oh. It's kind of food you eat after eating. You scratch your forehead, you scratch your center of your head like this. When you start to scratch your center, the center of your hair like this, it shows that the food really enters into the ominikoto ominipokos. So that the food enter ominikusus ominikataka. Hey, I bet. All right, guys. The next video will be when I will take you to the place they are planting the rice and the way they are processing it. The farm. I'm taking you to the farm for you to see. I can't wait to show you those contents, guys. So, guys, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, guys, just kindly subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. You know, when you turn on the notification bell, notification. Okay, and I just I'm speaking English, I will bite my tongue. When you turn on the notification bells, so whenever I drop the video, bang, they will give you notification, bang, then you see the contents I'm about to bring. All right, guys, thank you for always being here with me. Thank you. I hope you enjoy me eating. I hope you enjoy the food. I enjoy it too. Hope you enjoyed it. All right, guys. See you in my next upload. Thank you and bye for now. Let's return the plate. Oh.